Welcome back to MVP Auto 08. Today Yamaha's legendary commuter bike is back with a fresh update for 2025. Say hello to the Yamaha YBR 125, a perfect blend of efficiency, reliability, and style. Whether you're a daily commuter, a beginner rider, or just looking for an affordable two-wheeler, this machine has got you covered. The YBR 125 has been a fan favorite for years, thanks to its simple yet robust design. And for 2025, Yamaha has refined it even further. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this bike an excellent choice. First up, the design. The 2025 Yamaha YBR 125 retains its classic commuter-friendly look but with a few modern tweaks. It features a sleek fuel tank with updated graphics, a comfortable one-piece seat, and a slightly sharper headlamp for better visibility. Yamaha has also improved the build quality, making it even more durable for daily use. One of the biggest selling points of the YBR 125 is its engine. This bike is powered by a reliable 124cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces around 10 horsepower and 10 Nm of torque. It's paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox, giving you a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. Now, if you're looking for a bike that's easy to maintain, the YBR 125 is one of the best options out there. Yamaha's engineering ensures minimal maintenance costs, and the engine is known for its longevity. Plus, it offers an excellent fuel economy of around 55 to 60 km per liter, making it a wallet-friendly choice. Comfort is another highlight of this bike. The YBR 125 features a telescopic front fork and dual rear shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth ride on rough roads. The ergonomics are designed for long commutes, with a well-padded seat and upright handlebars that reduce rider fatigue. Braking performance is also solid. The 2025 model comes with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake setup, providing decent stopping power. Yamaha has fine-tuned the braking system for better safety and control, which is especially useful in city traffic. And let's not forget about the features. While the YBR 125 remains a simple commuter, Yamaha has included an updated instrument cluster with a mix of analog and digital displays. It gives you essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip details. Some variants even come with an electric start for added convenience. The YBR 125 is built for durability, and Yamaha ensures a strong frame that can handle daily wear and tear. It weighs around 125 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic while remaining stable at higher speeds. So, who is the Yamaha YBR 125 for? Well, it's perfect for students, office goers, delivery riders, and anyone who wants a hassle-free, affordable motorcycle. Its low maintenance costs, excellent fuel efficiency, and comfortable ride make it one of the best choices in the 125cc segment. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Yamaha YBR 125 remains competitively priced, making it an excellent value for money option. It's available in multiple color choices to suit different preferences. To wrap it up, the 2025 Yamaha YBR 125 is a no-nonsense, reliable, and stylish commuter that delivers on all fronts. Whether you need a daily workhorse or a budget-friendly first bike, this one won't disappoint. Thanks for watching MVP Auto 08. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. See you in the next one.